Order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, then subtraction. Multiplication and division and addition and subtraction are both done left to right. Now in this first example, division will come before addition. So we're going to do 72 divided by 9, which is 8. Then we bring down whatever else we have in the problem, which is plus 7. 8 plus 7 equals 15. In the second example, we again have division that's going to happen before subtraction. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1 for our final answer. In our final example, we have a little more going on here. So we're going to do parentheses first. Up here in the PEMDAS, the P is first for parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we'll do exponents first, as that's the next one going down the line in the order of operations. 3 squared is 9. Then we bring down everything else we have. Then we go ahead and complete the parentheses. 2 plus 9 is 11. And again, bringing down everything just to make sure we don't miss anything. Now we have subtraction and multiplication left. And multiplication comes before subtraction, so we'll do 3 times 11 first to get 33. Bring down whatever else we have. 5 minus 33 equals negative 28. Evaluating algebraic expressions.